If you want to see the full police report charges and what's happening with this case now, the link in the description is updated regularly so you can always check what's new. Now, let's begin the video.
3327 County, 1044.
3327, go ahead.
New Jersey, Tango 92, Monmouth X-Ray Alpha. I'll be Ocean Avenue and Seacrest Road.
Route 3327, stopping motion Seacrest, 142. How will I know that you're...
Hold on. Hello.
Oh, hi.
Hi, I'm Officer...
That window.
Sorry?
I was opening that window.
Oh, that's alright. So I'm Officer Golombiewski with Mount Beach Police. Just so my body camera's on, it's recording this. Stop. Can I just have your license, registration, insurance, please?
Sure.
How was your night so far?
Fine.
It's good?
Wait 1 second.
No worries. Where are you coming from tonight?
Just work, and then I stopped at the Mix to drop off... No, Celtic, to drop off some stuff for a friend.
Oh, gotcha. Dropped off stuff?
Yeah,
You drop
yes.
off.
I have, met a friend there.
Oh, gotcha. Anything to drink?
Just one.
When did you have the last drink?
30 minutes ago.
30 minutes ago?
Yeah.
Okay. And where are you headed to?
Home.
Where's home at?
So, the license says Belford, but
Okay.
I now live in Kingsburg.
In Keensburg?
Yeah.
Okay, gotcha.
But if you look it up, it probably says Atlantic Highlands, because I just moved to Kingsburg.
I see.
I don't have the new insurance because it didn't come to the new address, but I can show it to you on my phone.
Okay.
Here's
That's
the
fine.
Registration.
Okay, let's see here. Where do you work at? Here, you can
I
hold
work
this.
at the Blue Grotto.
The Blue what?
Blue Grotto
What is that?
in Oceanport. It's a restaurant
Oh, gotcha.
on basically on the track.
Oh, very cool.
I just have to find
So, do you know why I'm stopping you tonight?
no.
No idea?
No,
Okay,
not really.
so you were going, what caught my attention was when you were coming into town, you were only doing about 30 miles an hour, which is slightly under the speed limit. It's not illegal. It's because you had no traffic you were delaying or anything. You were just going like oddly slow for a 35. So, in addition to that, when I did a U-turn to come behind you, you were swerving into your lane, and then when you were in the area of Ocean and Cottage, you crossed over the white shoulder line one time, and then you hit the yellow line another time as well.
Oh.
So basically, I just want to make sure you weren't like drunk driving.
No.
Okay.
I was probably just trying to get myself in
Gotcha.
order.
Yeah, and then you continued. Were you doing something in your car because like you were continuing to swerve in your lane the entire time I was behind you? I followed you all the way from the beach club down here.
Because I know that this road is 35, and I always
Gotcha.
speed.
I hear
so
you.
I was trying to do my cruise control.
Okay.
I always do it on this road because I know the
Gotcha.
speed limit is.
Okay. Here. So while I'm gonna go check your license. How's your license? Is it valid? Any points or suspensions?
No.
No. Okay. So while I'm doing that, just try to get your insurance for me. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Hang tight.
Swerving?
Yeah, she was. So when she came into town, she was only doing like 30 miles an hour, and what is it called? I spun around behind her, and she was like playing ping pong with the two lanes, pretty much the entire time. Crossed over the shoreline one time in the area of Ocean Cottage, and almost pretty much she didn't cross over the double yellow, but she hit the double yellow like just after that. So. She said she's coming. She said she had one drink of like a half hour ago. I can smell alcohol come out of the car. I'm gonna pull her for testing. She was like just all like I literally did a U-turn behind her just after Ocean and Vista, and I've been behind her the entire time all the way up here, and she's been like just all over, just all over. So. Gonna see. She's going to Atlantic Highlands, so we'll see if
Where's she coming from?
Well, that's the thing. She said she come from work at the Blue Grotto in Oceanport, and I said, "Oh, and where'd you go?" She said, I dropped off something at the Celtic in Long Branch." I said, "Oh, you dropped something off? Or what did you drop off?" And she goes, "Oh, well, I met a friend there." I was like, "Oh, okay." I said, "Did you have anything to drink?" And that's when she was like, oh yeah, I had one drink, half hour ago, so we'll see what happens. So,
Well, it's ladies' night.
yeah, we'll see. Hey, I'm gonna let you go, babe, alright?
Alright.
Alright, I love you.
Have fun.
Okay, bye.
3327, USF, want to stop?
Fern, okay, I'm gonna have one out for testing.
Receive one out for testing at 147.
I was talking to Miranda when I was following this car, and I was like, hey, I'm gonna keep you on the phone just in case I get back on the phone with you, but I think they're drunk, so we'll see. Did you find that insurance card, miss?
Yep.
Perfect. 3525.
It
Awesome.
just didn't get to the new address yet.
Okay, no worries. So listen, just because I could smell the alcohol coming out of the car, you said you had a drink, and your driving behavior was kind of, suspicious as far as DWI. I just want to make sure you're going to drive. So you mind stepping out doing a few field sobriety tests for me?
Sure.
Great. Just watch your step getting out. There's no cars coming, so there's no traffic to worry about. Perfect. You can just walk over this way. And I'm going to have you stand on the shoulder of the road right here. Right where my flashlight is about. Okay, perfect. I want you to face me. And what I'm going to have you do for this first test is I want to put your feet together just like this and keep your hands down by your sides. This is the start position for the horizontal gaze nystagmus test. I want you to stay in there the entire time during this test, okay? Do you have any eye issues?
Just my glasses.
Just your
I get
glasses?
migraines, but I'm not facing that, so I'm okay.
Okay, gotcha. What do you get migraines from?
Flashing lights and stuff. But
Okay, turn off all the flashing lights for this
yeah, I'm
test.
facing this way, so it should be fine.
Perfect. Well, I'm going to hold a light up like this a little bit, okay? I'm going to try to keep it out of your eyes, but I have to look at your eyes,
Yep.
okay? So for the first test, I'm going to have you remove...
Glasses off?
Yeah, I'm going to have you remove your glasses. You can put them wherever you want, on your head, whatever is easiest for you. No other documented eye issues?
No.
Are you wearing contacts right now?
No.
No? Okay, perfect. So, what I want you to do, I'm going to hold this light. Can you see that red light okay?
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to hold that light right there, and I'm going to move it to the left and right of your face. I want you to follow that light with your eyes and your eyes only. Don't move your head. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Ooh, it's going to be dizzy.
Okay, I'm going to go up with this time with it, okay? Just continue to follow it, all right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Just continue to follow the light with your eyes and your eyes only, all right? Okay. Hang tight 1 second. You can just step up on the sidewalk here, all right? 6 to 6.
Let's see. That was like a shot up.
Looks like it. Alright. So, Miss, do you have any physical or injuries or disabilities that prevent you from doing balance tests?
I mean, other than my migraine.
Migraines? Do you have any physical like injuries?
No.
Nothing? Okay. So, what I want you to do is this next test. It's called the walk and turn test. I want you to imagine a line on the ground like this. What I want you to do is put your left foot on the line just like this. Put your right foot touching heel to toe with your left foot just like this.
3327, you still 10-4?
I want you to, and you keep your hands down by your sides. I want you to remain in that position. Just put your feet touching heel to toe. Perfect. I want you to remain in that position. Yeah, I know, it's a little hard.
It is hard.
So perfect. I just want you to remain, just try and stay in that
Wait,
position.
you're making me nervous. Let me just give me a second.
Okay, no worries. So like I said, the starting position is like this. Just stand there with your hands by your sides, your right foot in front of your left on that same line. Okay?
And just stand there?
Yep, you're just standing there for right now, okay? This is the start position. It looks just like this, like I'm demonstrating to you. Okay? I want you to remain in that position while I demonstrate the test, okay?
Oh, okay.
Yep, just stay right there. So, when I tell you to begin, I want you to take a series of 9 heel-to-toe steps down the line, just like this. 1, 2, 3. I went to 3 for demonstration purposes. You're going to go all the way till 9. Once you hit your 9th step, keep your lead foot planted in the ground, just like that. Turn yourself around with a series of small steps, just like this. Take 9 more heel-to-toe steps down the line, just like this. 1, 2, 3. Just try to stay in the start position for me.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yep, you're just going to remain in that spot. Okay, so I took 3 for demonstration purposes. I want you to take 9. I will demonstrate the full test for you in its entirety with 3 steps instead of 9, just so you can see the speed I would like you to walk at. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Each time, heel to toe. Make sure while you're walking, you're looking down at your feet. Keep your hands by your side. Count your steps out loud. And don't stop the test until you fully complete the test. Do you have any questions?
Yeah, you just gotta give me a minute because I'm nervous.
No worries.
More
Yep,
than-
take your time.
More than anything.
It's okay. Are you comfortable in those shoes during the test, or would you rather do it barefoot?
So they're new. I'd rather take them off.
You can take them off. Absolutely.
I just bought them
Yeah.
today.
No problem. You can take them off.
I don't know that it'll help because I'm still nervous, but
Okay. Do you want to lean on your car? Take them off?
that's fine.
Okay.
I don't know if that'll help, but
Okay, no worries. So,
it's the first time I've been stopped and done this, so I'm a little nervous.
that's okay. So just put your feet like this, touching heel to toe. Perfect. And just with your hands down by your sides. You want me to demonstrate it again for you?
9.
You understand? It's 9 one way, then 9 the other way, okay?
Yep.
So when you're ready, you can begin.
All right. And I'm counting out loud.
You're counting out loud, yep.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Yep, turn.
And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay, perfect. You can relax. So the next test I want you to do is called the one-leg stand test. The start position for this test is your feet together just like this and your hands down by your sides. I want you to remain in that position while I demonstrate the test for you. You understand? Yeah? Okay. So, when I tell you to begin, I want you to raise one of your feet approximately 6 inches off the ground, and while you have your foot lifted off the ground, you're going to keep it parallel to the ground just like this. Okay? While you have your foot lifted off the ground, you're going to keep your knees straight, not bent. You're going to look down at the tip of your foot, and you're going to count out loud in the following manner. 1001, 1002, 1003, all the way until I tell you to stop. You understand? I'm going to demonstrate it for you now.
Okay.
Yep. So let's look at this. I'm going to demonstrate it with my right foot. You can use left or right, whatever you prefer, okay? 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, all the way until I tell you to stop. Now, let's say while you're counting, you happen to put your foot down. I'll demonstrate. 1001, 1002. I want you to pick that foot right back up and count from where you left off. So I left off at 2. I'm going to start at 3. 1003, 1004, 1005. Again, all the way until I tell you to stop. Some things to note. Keep your hands down by your sides the entire time. Make sure you look down at your foot while you're counting out loud. Make sure you keep your foot parallel to the ground parallel like that, not like this, straight like that, and keep your legs straight, not bent.
I'm not going to be able to do it.
You're not going to be able to do it? Why can't you do it?
Because I'm nervous.
Okay, take your time. Do you want a minute to relax or something? Would that help?
I mean, probably not. I'm just nervous because I've never done this before.
Okay.
So,
No worries.
we're doing...
That's all you're doing. So do you have any questions about the test?
No.
Do you understand it?
I do understand it. Yes.
Okay.
I've just never done this, so...
Okay, no worries. Alright, so when you're ready, just let me know if you're ready. Because I have to time it.
Oh, alright.
Okay? So give me a minute. Let me find a nice even number.
I'm counting?
Yeah, so you're going to count out loud just like this.
Yeah. I'm gonna
1001,
count
1002, 1003, all the way until I tell you stop. You understand? Okay. When you're ready, you can begin.
1001? No, I can't do it. I'm too nervous. I'm sorry.
Okay, just try your best.
1001? I can't do it.
Okay, yeah, we'll stop there. Okay. Alright, so next test I'm going to have you do is called the Modified Onboard Balance Test. It's not going to require you to do any picking up or anything like that. You're just going to stand there. Start position for this test is put your feet together just like this and your hands down by your sides. I want you to remain in that position while I demonstrate and explain the test. You understand? Mm-hmm. Okay. So, when I tell you to begin, I'm going to have you tilt your head back, close your eyes. Not right now. Just watch me. You're going to tilt your head back, you're going to close your eyes, and once you believe 30 seconds has gone by, you're going to bring your head back down, open your eyes, and say stop. That's the whole test.
Okay.
You have any questions?
No.
Can you do me a favor, you can take off glasses for this test?
Sure.
Okay. So, again, it's just going to look like this. I'm going to demonstrate it for you briefly. I'm only going to go till 5 seconds, and I'm going to tell you how I counted. So, I'm going to begin. Stop. And then once you believe 30 seconds has gone by, you're going to tilt your head back down and say stop.
Okay.
Okay? Do you have any questions?
No.
Okay, perfect. So just
touching?
yeah, your feet together just like this and your hands down by your sides. You're going to stay in that position the entire time. Okay? Any questions?
No.
You understand the test?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Just give me a second to get a nice even number here. You can begin.
Stop.
Okay.
Can I put my glasses back on?
Yeah, you can put your glasses on, yep.
Can I put my shoes back on?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, miss. You want your jacket? Put your jacket on?
Yeah, let me just tie my shoes.
Here, I'll grab it for you. Here's your jacket. So I'm going to ask you a question. Have you taken any other drugs or medications tonight?
No.
Any edibles or marijuana?
No.
No. And you said you just have one drink. That's it.
Yeah.
One.
Tito's and Club with Splash Cran.
That's it. One
That's
drink all night. Okay.
Yes.
So listen,
I was at a work event.
you were at a work event?
I work at Vibrato and we had a private event.
And then you went to see your friend.
And then I went to Celtic. Yes.
Okay. Did you drink anything at the work event?
No.
Nothing at the work event. Just one drink at Celtic. Okay. So, listen, based on my observations and the fact and your testing, I think you're too impaired to drive. So I'm going to place you under arrest for DUI. I don't know how much you really had to drink tonight, but I believe it's more than one. So, can you do me a favor? Can you turn around? Face away from me. Put your hands behind your back.
Did I shut my car off?
Well, your car needs to get towed.
Can I get my phone out?
I'll get your phone. Yeah.
Yeah, we'll get everything for
We'll get everything you need, all right? Do you want your phone, your wallet? What do you need?
Just my phone in my pocketbook.
Phone in your pocketbook? Are those too tight?
No.
No? Okay, they're not hurting you, right?
No.
Okay.
Am I going to need someone to pick me up?
You will. Yeah, you're going to need to call for a sober ride to come get you.
Yeah, that's
Okay.
why I need my phone.
Okay, yeah, no worries. We'll get your phone. All right, you could just come back this way. 3327 Kai. All right, hang tight here.
3327.
One female, 41 for 450. Can you send a hook for John's Law? Break 43208. Can you respond over to my stop for a female search, please? So I'm going to have you sit in the back of the car right here, real quick. I have a female officer coming over to just search you to make sure you know no weapons or anything crazy on you, okay?
Okay.
So can you just take a seat in there?
Yep, I just want my fob keys might not be in my pocketbook.
Where are they?
They might be like in the glove compartment. I mean, in the cup holder or.
Your fob's going to stay at the car, okay? Because your car needs to get is a mandatory tow for John's Law. Okay. You have house keys on there?
No, I have a code to my phone.
Code to your
to my house.
on your. You mean you just know?
Yeah. I don't have
Okay, no worries. So just take a seat in there.
I just don't know where my phone is in my.
I will get your phone and your wallet, okay? They're going to come with you to headquarters.
Yes.
All right?
Just so I can call my friend
Yeah.
to pick me up.
Yeah, no problem. Okay, just hang tight there. You're not hurting. You're not. No pain or anything. You're sitting down, right?
I just
okay.
want to grab him before he leaves to pick me up.
Grab him before he leaves. You want to make a phone call right now?
Yeah, just to meet me
Okay.
at the police department.
Okay, no worries. I can have that. I can have you do that. Hang tight, all right? I'm just gonna have Cicino come down and search her.
That's the fob.
Yeah, that's the fob. Our phone's in there. Is this closed or open? Looks pretty full. I think that's. I feel like the seal's broken. It's closed.
Is it empty?
No. Here, feel it. It looks like it's full.
Yeah.
Proceed 43208.
Where's her wallet? I don't see her wallet anywhere.
The wallet, yeah. She said her wallet was in there.
I thought she said her wallet was in here.
Is her wallet underneath the stuff? Can't you put that?
Oh, this thing? Is it a wallet? No, where the heck's her wallet? I'll ask her. Let her do a phone call. Thank you. I didn't want to search her because I mean, what's up? Yeah, I'll ask her. I actually don't know. Miss, you can step out. The female officer's here. She's going to search you.
Can you just turn around and face the vehicle for me? Do you have anything on you that's going to poke or stab me?
No.
Nothing on you? Do you have any
Nothing.
jewelry on you?
Just my necklace.
Just your necklace? Alright, I'm just going to take this off real quick. No earrings or anything?
No.
So he's probably going to take it off.
Just, if you want, you can leave the necklace on. You don't got to take it off. Miss, do you want your whole purse to come with you?
Yes, please.
The entire one on the front seat, right?
Yeah, it looks like almost
Okay.
like a bag.
I got your phone.
Yeah.
If
and
you want,
I just want to call him now before
okay.
he leaves.
Just let her search you real quick, and then I'll let you make your phone call to your. It's your. Right, you're cool with me having him.
Yeah,
call her, right?
yeah, whatever's easier. I'm all for it.
3327 County.
Go ahead, Kenny.
Artie's telling us notified they're in.
Sanford, thank you. Artie's is coming.
Yeah, they're he's in town.
Can you hold this real quick? I'm just gonna grab her purse. This is all you want, right, miss?
Yeah.
Okay. Thanks.
You can do it for me.
Yeah, I'll open it up for you.
Put that on top of this.
What's your passcode? Okay. Okay, and who do you need to call? Is it the K one?
Yeah.
Cares? This one?
Yeah. Mm-hmm. I don't know if he's gonna answer, but.
Go.
And what police station?
Monmouth Beach Police Department.
Your call has been forwarded to.
Can you text him?
Your call has been forwarded.
Just him?
Yeah.
Okay. What do you mean text him?
I got arrested. Can you pick me up at?
Okay, here's what I wrote. I just wrote, so you want me to put there, you got arrested. You want that in there.
Yeah.
You're sure?
So he knows for sure to pick me up.
Okay, I just want to make sure you want that in there, because, you don't have to say that.
No,
So,
that's okay.
I got, here's, can you read it? I got arrested.
No, not with my glasses on. I can't read it.
Okay, it says, I got arrested. Can you pick me up at Monmouth Beach Police Station at 14 Willow Avenue, Monmouth Beach? That's the address.
Yes.
Is that, you want me to send that?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, I'm going to put your phone up front. It's going to be locked. I don't have it open. Okay? And all your properties there. Do you need anything else in the car?
No, you have my...
Nothing else. I got your whole purse. I grabbed the second purse that was on the ground. I put it inside the first purse. There was, another bag in the ground. I wasn't sure if you needed that. I just put both bags. Okay. Anything else from the car?
No.
On your key fob, I saw there was other keys. Do you need the other keys?
No, I do not.
No? Okay. All right.
I mean, if he doesn't answer, I'll just have to Uber home, but...
You can't Uber. You have to have a sober ride come and get you.
But you'll have that with you if he answers. If I can.
The phone,
trying.
your phone, yeah, your phone was gonna come to headquarters.
Right.
Okay.
You'll have it, so if he tries to answer, you'll hear it.
Yeah. Once we get to headquarters, you won't be allowed to use your phone until after the next step in there. But that's it. Okay. I'll explain more inside. All right.
Necklace on here.
Can you put it in the bag?
No, I don't know if that was hers or not.
Yeah, it's hers. Cool. Thank you for coming down for that. Appreciate you. You're cool with hanging for Artie's?
Yeah, of course.
Awesome. Thank you. Thirty-three 27 Kai.
3327.
1011 star mileage, vehicle 22. Thank you.
3327 is out with your starting mileage, but there's a bad echo.
Kai, it's going to be 22608.3. And can you also start checking my registered owner all the way, please? That's going to be my 41.
Proceed to transporting female 41 to headquarters and checking.
Affirmative, thank you. Thirty-three 27 Kai. Tell them ending mileage at headquarters.
3327, go ahead.
22609.4.
Proceed 3327, arriving headquarters 260.
Okay. Just watch your step getting out. Okay, perfect. Then just stand at the back of the car for a second. I just gotta lock this thing. Okay. Okay, we're gonna head up the stairs right here. You're gonna stand next to that traffic cone, just so I can put the door code in. Okay. Watch your step going in. You're gonna go to your left. And just stand next to that bench for me real quick. take the cuffs off in one moment. I'm just going to turn the cameras on in here. Hello, sir. You're here to pick up
Yes.
Julia? Okay. So, do you have your license by any chance?
I have a non-driver's license on me. I have an Uber waiting for me.
Oh, gotcha. Okay.
There you go, sir.
Okay, great. So, let's see here. Okay, here's your ID back. Okay, if you have any questions about this form, just let me know. You've been summoned by or on behalf of the person who appears above as defendant to transport or accompany the defendant from this law enforcement agency. The defendant has been arrested and charged with one or both of the motor vehicle violations checked in the box above, pursuant to NJSA 394-50.22. This warning is to advise you that if you accept responsibility to transport or accompany a defendant and you permit or facilitate the operation of a motor vehicle by the defendant while the defendant is intoxicated or has a blood alcohol concentration at or above that permitted by law, then you are potentially subject to criminal penalties and civil liability. Permitting a person who is intoxicated or has a blood alcohol concentration at or above that permitted by law to operate a motor vehicle is a violation of NJSA 394-50A. If you are charged and convicted under that statute, your driving privilege will be suspended, fines and monetary penalties will be imposed, and you may be incarcerated. If you permit or facilitate the defendant to operate a motor vehicle while the defendant remains intoxicated or has a blood alcohol concentration at or above that permitted by law, and the defendant becomes involved in a motor vehicle collision where other persons are injured or killed, then you may be subject to indictment and criminal prosecution. If you are prosecuted and found guilty, the court can impose fines and mandatory penalties and a prison sentence. In addition to any criminal liability, if you permit or facilitate the defendant to operate a motor vehicle while the defendant remains intoxicated or has a blood alcohol concentration at or above that permitted by law, and the defendant becomes involved in a motor vehicle collision where there is property damage or personal injury or death, then you may be held liable for civil damages, and those damages may not be covered by insurance. Do you understand everything I said?
Yes.
Do you have any questions? Nope. Okay. If you could just sign the X right here, then I'll release Julia to you. All right?
Thank you, officer.
No problem. Thank you. Okay, just give me a few minutes, and I'll have her come out here. All right? Okay, great. Thank you very much. All right, miss, you are free to go. Do you have any questions for me?
Nope.
Okay, I gave you all your property back, right?
Yep.
Got your phone, got your wallet. Okay, great. All right, you can head out this way. You're going to make a left out that door, and then you're going to go a right out the exit door.
Left this way.
Yep, right out the exit door.
Thank you so much.
No problem. Thank you. Have a good night, okay?
Good night.
All right, take care.
Bye.